Sa YouTube, sa video natin ngayon, bibigyan kayo ng tipid hack. So, kung meron kayong ilaw na ganito, LED light na napundi, so dalawa to. Doon yung isa pero tinanggal ko kasi pundi na siya. So if it's busted, huwag niyong itapon yung buong device or unit kasi we can save it pa. I'll tell you why in a sec. So, ito yan siya. Tinanggal ko dun sa isa. Pundi na yan. So, pag LED light, ang madalas na nasisira, 99% of the time, hindi yung actual na ilaw. Okay? Hindi yung mga LEDs. Pero ito lang. Tawag na ito LED driver. Okay? So, what it actually does is just as a transformer. So, transform 220 volts or higher volts into lower volts. Usually 12, 16, 18, 24 volts. Sometimes 28 volts. So, transformer lang yan. Pero tawag nila LED driver. Ito lang kailangan palitan, guys. Alright? So, para makatipid, bili ka lang nito sa Lazada. Sobrang mura lang nito. So, syempre, kukunin mo yung specs. Ito 6 watts. Itong binili ko is 4 to 7 watts. So, pwede na to. Pasok siya. Alright? So, although hindi naman siya parehong-pareho, but i-wire mo lang yan. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Yun lang. Okay? And this applies to any LED light, okay? Not just like this one. It can also be the bigger rounded lights like this. Meron din yung LED driver sa loob. Again, any LED lights, lahat yan may LED driver. Alright? Makikita nyo para siyang maliit na ballast. It's actually just a transformer inside. Okay? So again, super tipid. Huwag nyo itapon. Papakita ko kung paano ko siya kinonect. And then, testing natin. Once makabit na natin, test natin, makikita nyo gumagana na siya. So this is how I wired it. You just have to pry open this new LED driver. Alright, so you don't have to do anything on the AC side. Ito yung 220 volts. Okay? All you have to do is only on the DC side. So, ito yung original wire niya. Pinutol ko lang. And then, yung positive goes to positive, negative goes to negative. Alright? So, black to black, red to red. Ganyan lang. And then, syempre, iti-tape natin to para hindi mag-short. Tape natin yan later. And then, close nyo lang. Yan lang. And then, syempre, later, kukonect natin yung 220 dun sa wires natin. Alright, papakita ko na lang yung pag-testing mamaya. Alright guys, so nakabit ko na siya. Ayan na. Okay, i-on ko na yung switch. Moment of truth. Alright. So, sabay nang umilaw tong dalawang LED light. And yeah, that's it. So, yun lang. Papalitan nyo lang yung LED driver. I hope appreciate nyo yung hack na to. For more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and like and share na rin for support. Thank you.